Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Simple, easy to set up business model. If I could show you a downloadable evergreen product that millions of people desperately need, that you can get for free, that people will gladly buy from you for $10, $15, even $30 each, again and again and again, would I have your attention? This is a real business. And there's no ads, zero shipping, zero inventory, and no website needed. And people will thank you for the help. And I'm going to reveal all. Plus, this business is recession-proof. In a booming economy, this product sells like crazy. In a depressed economy, it sells even better. Best of all, your product will be helping people desperately in need, who want to make better lives for themselves and their families. And you'll get rewarded handsomely for your efforts. Read on to get the full scoop from the desks of Stuart Turnbull and Bart Hennon. We're about to reveal to you a fantastic high-profit downloadable product that practically sells itself. Tens of millions of people need this product every day, and you can get it for free. It sells like wildfire year-round, with no website needed, for $10 to $30 each. And, as said, this special, recession-proof product is desperately needed by tens of millions of people every day. And we're going to do something crazy. We're going to reveal exactly what this product is, even if you don't buy a thing from us. Read on. But first, a valuable marketing tip. It has been said that the best way to sell buckets of water is to find people whose house is on fire. In other words, if you can find people who are in desperate need of your product, it's sold before you even offer it. That's what this product does. It puts an easy, fast solution in front of people with a desperate urgent problem. Imagine having your own evergreen product line that instantly solves a problem for millions, is always in very high demand, that you can create in just minutes for free and sell for 100% profit over and over and over again, that people buy when the economy is good, bad, or even stagnant, with no website needed, no shipping ever, no inventory needed, zero tech skills needed, automated set and forget sales week after week, year after year. This is a huge market with people willing to pay premium prices for this simple item. What we're revealing to you here today is a product, a whole line of products actually, that have the real potential to bring you solid success week after week, month after month, year after year. And once set up, this business practically runs itself. And these aren't physical products that need to be inventoried or shipped either. These are, as we shall see, easy digital products that your customer downloads and prints out. In this case, we will be offering our customers customizable templates. You can do this for a variety of niches, but below we reveal what we feel is the hottest niche in the marketplace where people are going crazy throwing money at sellers. The marketplace we will be using to sell our digital wares is where the buyers are, where the people with their houses on fire are. etc. There are other marketplaces you can use too, but etc. is the best. Note, even if you've tried selling on etc. before and failed, you can succeed with this. Keep reading to see why. Why etc. One of my very favorite features on etc. is that they make it super easy to sell digital products. What do I mean by digital products, and what kind of digital products are succeeding on etc.? Put simply, digital products are things like artwork, planners, party invitations, etc., that you create and upload to etc. Your buyer shops and pays in the usual way, but instead of receiving a physical item in the mail, they download a digital file, which etc. hosts free, and then they simply print out their purchase on a home printer, or they can use a local print shop or online service if they wish. Below we will reveal several hot niches where people are going crazy throwing their money at sellers, and reveal what single product is best, easiest, and most profitable to offer. But before we reveal the actual product, let's look at the incredible advantages of offering downloadable printable items. Your orders are fulfilled automatically by ETSE, with no input from you needed. You never have to pack or ship anything, ever. Your buyer receives their item, instantly. Immediate gratification. Being based a long way from your market is no longer a disadvantage. So an Australian or UK seller can compete on a level playing field with US-based sellers, for example. Once created, your digital item can be sold over and over without limit. You have no inventory to store and zero capital tied up in inventory. Best of all, your digital products can be created at zero cost in just minutes using simple free online tools. Here's the scoop. The printables you will be offering are simple specialized templates, that is, printables your customer buys, downloads, and customizes themselves into a unique printable. There is a huge demand on ETSE for printable templates of all types, especially the one we reveal below. Here are some examples of particularly lucrative printable template niches. 1. Resume templates. These simple-to-create templates are purchased and downloaded by your customer, edited with the buyer's personal and employment info, and then printed and mailed by your customer, in response to a job ad, or emailed online as a digital attachment. 2. Party invitation templates. These templates can be downloaded by your customer, edited with the name, party venue, and date of their event, and again printed out by your customer and sent to invited guests. 3. Planner templates. These include menu, meal, workout, day planners, appointment calendars, etc. etc. They can be created and uploaded to ETSE, purchased by customers, and printed out as needed. 4. Wedding templates. These templates can include invitation, programs, save the date, menus, seat charts, gift thank you notes, etc. etc. In this course we focus on resume templates as this market is exploding and buyers are desperate. The methods taught in this course can be applied to any of the templates popular on ETSE, but in our opinion, resumes are the best niche. Why resumes? Simple. Huge demand 365 days a year. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average worker currently holds 10 different jobs before age 40. And this number is projected to grow. Here are the main factors driving up the already huge demand for resume templates. 1. There are always large numbers of people, tens of millions, looking for a new job. You have young people looking for that first job. People looking to re-enter the workforce after a hiatus. Record numbers of people who have been the victims of downsizing, layoffs, and corporate bankruptcies, and are thus looking for new work. And of course you have scores more people who are already employed but are looking to move to an alternate employer in search of a better, more satisfying or higher paying job. Link in description.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.